Alright guys, take a look at this YouTube channel right here. They've built almost 2.59 million subscribers, and all they do is post captivating AI story videos just like the ones I'm about to show you. And here's the crazy part. If you check out their videos, you'll notice they're racking up insane views on almost every single upload. That's not even the best part. A quick peek at their Social Blade stats reveals it clearly. They're pulling in a very healthy income every single month from these videos. It's wild, right? Now, play any of their videos and you'll see what's really going on. They're using simple AI-generated images to videos, adding just a bit of movement, and layering AI voiceovers on top. That's it. But wait, is YouTube actually monetizing these types of videos? Let me clear that up right now. Yes, they are. YouTube is absolutely monetizing them. As long as you're putting effort in, making sure your videos provide value, and not spamming low-quality content, you'll be fine. Plenty of creators are doing this successfully. Here's the catch though. To create videos like these manually, here's what you'd usually have to do. First, sit down and write a good story. Then, find or generate images for each scene. After that, record or generate voiceovers. Then you need to sync everything in a video editor. Only after all of that, you publish. Sounds like a lot of hassle, right? Time-consuming, tedious, and especially if you're just starting out, it can feel like way too much. But what if I told you there's a way to skip all those manual steps and do the entire thing, start to finish, with just one prompt? That's exactly what today's video is all about. Let me introduce you to MagicLight AI. This tool completely changes the game. Instead of juggling between different tools and wasting hours, you simply type in your story idea. And MagicLight handles everything else for you. Writing the story, generating consistent images, adding voiceovers, breaking it into scenes, and stitching it all together into a complete, ready-to-publish video. And here's the kicker. Unlike most tools that limit you to short videos, MagicLight allows you to create videos up to 30 minutes long. Oh, and one more thing. Worried about characters looking different in every scene? MagicLight's got you covered. It has built-in support for consistent characters, so your entire video feels clean, professional, and cohesive. So, if you're serious about creating these types of videos and want to skip all the usual headaches, make sure you stick around because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. Alright, let's dive straight into how you can start creating your own AI videos using MagicLight. First things first, you'll find the link to MagicLight AI down in the description below this video. Use that link to grab your extra 300 free credits right away, plus lock in a 20% discount on any future payments. Go ahead, click that link, and it'll bring you right to their homepage. Here, you'll experience everything this software promises, from creating videos up to 30 minutes long to ensuring character consistency across scenes. Now, just scroll down a bit, and you'll see a button that says Start for free. Click on that. Super simple. Now it'll ask you to sign up. You can either continue with your Google account or use your email, whatever's easier for you. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the MagicLight dashboard. And let me tell you, the dashboard is very straightforward. At the top, you'll notice two big options staring right at you. One says Create AI Video, and the other one says Create AI Character. We'll get into both in a second. If you scroll down a little bit on the dashboard, you'll actually see a whole section showing AI videos that other creators have made using this tool. I highly recommend taking a few minutes to check those out. It's a great way to get ideas and see the kind of quality videos you can make with zero hassle. Also, on the left-hand side, you'll notice a section labeled Projects. That's where all your own video creations will be saved, so you can easily find, edit, or download them anytime. Now, let's jump right in and start creating our first AI video. Go ahead and click on the Create AI Video button at the top. Once you do that, you'll see a few different options pop up on your screen. Don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly what to do next, step by step. Right in the center, there's one called Smart Script. Click on that. This is where the magic happens. Now, all you need to do is paste a simple idea into the prompt box. And right below that, you'll see the video duration options. Just choose how long you want your video to be. The best part? It supports creating videos up to a full 30 minutes long. No complicated scripting, no fancy writing needed. What's cool is, MagicLight is integrated with DeepSeek R1, which means you can literally type just a one-liner prompt and it'll generate a complete story video for you with solid quality. If you want to learn a bit more about DeepSeek, there's a little icon you can click on the page, or you can check out the separate tutorial I've made on DeepSeek. Links in the description as well. But if you want something more specific, like a complete story idea, here's the easiest trick. You can simply open ChatGPT, paste the ready-made prompt I provided for you in the comments or description, and boom, ChatGPT will give you a full structured story idea in seconds. Once you have that, copy it and paste the entire story idea right into the MagicLight prompt box. That's all. Now, let's move on to the settings part. Once your prompt is in, you'll see a few options pop up below. First, you'll select the aspect ratio. You can choose landscape if you're making videos for YouTube, or portrait if you're planning for shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Then, right below, you've got language options. MagicLight supports multiple languages, so if you're targeting a specific country or audience, you can select the one you need. Next up, choosing the style. This is one of my favorite parts. You'll see a bunch of cool style options. You can go for 3D cartoon, realistic, GTA style, comic, anime, and a few more. For this demo, let's go with 3D animation. It works great, looks clean, and people love it. Once you've selected your style, click, and MagicLight will instantly start processing. What it does is, it breaks your story down into multiple shots. Each shot is one visual scene or image. Now, this is the most important part of the process because if you have a good script, then 50% of the job is already done. But here's the thing. If you're not 100% happy with how the story looks or sounds, you're not stuck. You can go right back to ChatGPT, paste that second pinned prompt from the comments again, tweak or regenerate a fresh story, and come back. Or, if you've got your own story already, you can use the Use My Content option. Paste your entire story directly, hit Next, and the AI will automatically split it up into individual shots for you. Each shot equals one image, and the cool part is, you can edit the text, delete unnecessary shots, merge a couple together, all super easily right here before moving forward. Alright, once your story is broken into shots, click Next and you'll land on the cast page. This is where MagicLight automatically detects all the characters mentioned in your script. Super handy, right? Here, you can see a list of characters. You can choose to add new ones, delete any unnecessary characters, or just let the tool handle it by clicking the Auto Choose option. But if you want to fine-tune things a bit, you can also manually edit each character, click Edit Character, and a new screen will appear. Here, you can choose your character's name, voiceover, gender, and age. Based on your selections, AI will give you pre-made characters related to your choices. Now, if you're not really vibing with the default characters, no problem. Just hit Create Character, and let's build your own custom character from scratch. So let's walk through creating a custom character real quick. First, give your character a name. Then select their gender, choose their category, and set their age. Right after that, you'll need to match the character style with whatever style you picked for the video earlier. Now, for the character's look and personality, you can use a prompt. And the best part? You don't even need to come up with it yourself. To do that, go back to ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Just copy the pinned prompt I've provided for you in the comments or description, paste it here, and you're good to go. Want to get extra fancy? You also have the option to upload a specific face image or even their clothing style, but that's totally optional. Once everything's set, just click Generate. Your custom character will be created in seconds and saved under My Character, so you can reuse them anytime in future videos. No need to recreate every time. Then, click Confirm. This option is basically a game changer because the AI will use these casts to generate different images for each scene. That's how you keep your characters consistent across videos, super important for building a strong brand. And you know how hard it is to create consistent characters. But with MagicLight, you can do it easily. Do this for all your characters, and once you're finalized, hit Next. It can take a little bit of time, so be patient. And once it's done, you will see something like this. All your images for each scene are ready. Now, this is where you can edit each scene according to your taste. You can adjust the voiceover speed, though I recommend keeping it at the default setting because it usually flows well. Under Voice Settings, you'll see a list of narrator voices. You can preview each voice by clicking Audition, so you can choose whichever voice feels best for your video style. Now, if you scroll here, you will be able to see all the scene images generated. And if you select a particular scene, you will be able to see the narration text. From here, you can preview the voiceover. And also, if you want, you can change the voice character. From this section, you can edit the characters if you want. I won't make any changes now. And here, you can see the prompt used to generate the image. You will notice in the prompt that it has used this phrase, which is basically making the AI understand that you want to generate a scene with this particular character. This is why it is able to generate consistent characters in different scenes. Isn't this awesome? Now, if you are not satisfied with any of the scene images, then you can simply click on the Regenerate button, and it will create a new scene image for you. If you go through different scenes, you will see that the main characters in each scene are the same, which is just great. Now, you need to go through each scene and make sure they are all according to your liking. Once you are done, you can just click on Generate Video, and the AI will add some movement to each image and create the video for you. But if you want to take this to the next level, then you can turn the images into videos. To do that, select a scene and click on this Animate button. Here, you will see 4 options. Lip Sync makes your character speak. Built-in Animate Pro. MagicLight also supports impressive dynamic effects like Runway and Hailuo AI for extraordinary animation. Click any of them, and after that, you can give it a custom prompt if you want, or you can leave it up to the AI, and it will create the animation based on your scene. I will select this one and click on OK, then click AI Enhance, and that's it. In just a few minutes, your image will turn into proper animation. And here is the result. As you can see, it looks really nice. Trust me, these kinds of small details will make your video stand out from others, and it will also help you increase your watch time. Next, I will just go through each scene and turn them into videos. Once you're done editing your scenes and animating everything, it's time to finalize your video. Just hit Next, and now you'll land on the Finishing Touches screen. Here, you can customize your cover settings, decide whether you want to add subtitles, and pick your background music. Now, quick tip. By default, the music volume might be a bit loud and overpower the story narration. So, I recommend lowering the background music volume to make sure your story and voiceover stay crystal clear. Or, if you prefer a clean video with no background music at all, simply select None. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Generate. MagicLight will start rendering your video. When it's done, you'll have the option to download your final video. You can choose to download the full video file, or if you need the individual images used in each scene, you can download them separately too. Total flexibility. And boom, you've got a high-quality, monetizable AI video ready to upload.
Sky Island floats high above. Island sinking. Crown lost. Find the crown. Island sinks. Chasing sprites in swirling mist. They won the keep-away game. Ellis hops on a wobbly bridge. Coral shouts guidance. They chase sprites. Crowns aloft. Ellis grins. Time for a sky ride. He spots a wild sky glider. Coral soars. Grabs crown. Island blooms. Spirits rejoice. Flying scarves gifted. They laugh. Soaring home. Bravery saved the day.
Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the real benefits you're getting with MagicLight. Forget about all those manual steps. No more struggling to find stories. No more hunting for images. No voiceover recording stress. Everything is automated. You go from a simple story prompt to a fully animated video, all in one place. Plus, the variety of styles is insane. Whether you want 3D animation, realistic visuals, comic style, anime, or even futuristic cyberpunk looks, it's all built in. And the best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to get started. When you sign up using the link I've dropped in the description, you'll instantly get 300 free trial credits to play around with and see the magic for yourself. If you're ready to scale things up, there's a Plus plan starting at just $8. But for the serious creators out there who want to go all in, the Pro plan gives you 20,000 credits, no watermarks, unlimited advanced features, a full commercial license, and the ability to generate up to 30-minute videos with zero limitations. And here's the kicker. That same link will also unlock a 20% discount on the Pro plan. So you're saving money right out of the gate while getting all the premium features. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting to start, this is your sign. The first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, the momentum is yours. You're here because you want to win, and I'm here to make sure you've got all the tools to do it.